We're not gonna do anything. I don't want you anywhere near this, all right? Your mom's been through enough already. My brother, listen to me. I'm gonna find him, all right? You gotta trust me on this. I'm going to find him.
8:15.
Now, what do we talk about? Dinner first, then dessert. Always. It's a rule.
I can fight.
Better than any of us. But right now, I need you safe. This thing is after you. It's not after me. Do you understand?